creating some distance from the customary digital forms of money. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade mechanized market creator to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Likewise, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the special elements of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two savvy agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has a one-of-a-kind component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This element of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, taking out the mediators or consent completely. Consequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets represented for these parts in like manner. As a decentralized convention for computerized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was sorcery for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, a rush of stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the UNI coin subtleties before we leap to itemized Uniswap cost expectation. Uniswap, figuring out details. The vision of UNI stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the innovative and practical ecospace. UNI supports trust alongside comfort, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost impartially. The connection among market interest is the well-established peculiarity of inconsistent connection works for UNI token. Dealers come to advertise with desires that the Uniswap cryptographic money market they hold will guarantee extraordinary returns. Nonetheless, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting methodologies or any elective ebb and flow speculation choice. If the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for UNI tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for an immense scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. At present, the cost of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate yet entrepreneurial and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap UNI cost forecasts, this is the most proper chance to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing merchant. To comprehend the value variances of UNI better, it would be great to dig further into the past account of Uniswap. Uniswap, the well-qualified assessment. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for UNI projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer in the most recent 24 hours. Cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. Here are numerous crypto specialists who believe that UNI has huge potential and empower financial backers, giving shining suggestions to trade as underneath for this advanced resource by giving Uniswap expectation. At long last beam of trust, there is potential for solidifying patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher opinion. As per Uniswap figure, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 for the time being. Uniswap has achieved one of the main 10 situations in digital forms of money this year, and as per Uniswap cost forecasts, the exhibition may be entirely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. Being founded on a consistent calculation and cost investigation, Uniswap has both transient convention as well as long-haul likely benefits. The future cost might reach $67.40 toward the finish of 2025 over the long haul. As per Uniswap value forecast and specialized examination, Uniswap has a brilliant future. It might have somewhat impacted by bears, however, we'll see the bull ride around 2023 and its cost might blow the rooftop, crossing $60. The main alleviation factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary forms. The majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet securing the conflict of the excess titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market guides derive the bull run could be far off, while the others banter completely in an unexpected way. The cost diagram is referenced here alongside the Uniswap expectation. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10, with the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563. It is without a doubt a positive thinking in crypto space winning and far-off skyline in view of Uniswap cost figure. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have colossal distinction. Uniswap value forecast 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022 will keep riding news waves going ahead into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of UNI USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a prompt sharp revision toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the principal year, as per UNI cost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and most extreme cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value expectation 2023, fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some obstruction, however it can't be said with conviction about the positive difference in cost of UNI regarding whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency UNI. There could be a few huge changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. UNI, nonetheless, is known to be versatile and steady. Both worldwide financial aspects may too significantly affect Uniswap cost development, as indicated by Uniswap forecast. The base cost would reach to $14 and greatest cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost expectation, that value remedy may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the principal, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Area explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap, consequently coming towards its modern objectives. One thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are splendid for this resource. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving an exceptional impression on this biological system. Uniswap value forecast 2025. According to Uniswap value forecast and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the positively trending market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, certifying its position showing steadiness. As per Uniswap expectation, in the main half, it would go up to $16 and the greatest cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value expectation 2026. As per UNI cost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the main half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap conjecture fascination for brokers and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into UniKitty. And we could see positive cost change. Uniswap,